Simon with the Friday Wrap, and I was just wondering, how's your week going? It's Friday afternoon, I'm excited, the weekend's here, we're closing off a strong week and we're closing off a strong month, and yeah, I've been working a lot and traveling a fair bit. It's been fun. I just wanted to send a shout out to you and talk to you about a couple things as we're moving into the weekend and closing out a solid month here. I've had a great time, traveled a fair bit, been in a lot of airports, been doing a lot of driving, meeting some cool people. I met I met probably the 5th wealthiest woman in Australia this week. That was kind of cool. This month I've met with a couple of Olympic gold medalists, which has been awesome. Last month I met with Richard Branson, and I was at an event where he was speaking. That was also very cool. And it's just been awesome, meeting with some great multi-millionaires, entrepreneurs, people who are making a difference in the world, and people who really know how to have fun. And I caught up with a business coach as well, who made a special trip down here from the US to Sydney. So that was very, very cool, as well as, you know, meeting up with a bunch of people this week and last week who I've helped, you know, earn over $1 million in income as part of the business that we roll out. And so it's been full on. So I'm ready to rest. Last weekend I was away from my kids. So this weekend I'm going to spend time with my family. That's the big thing for me. And so I can't wait to have some fun this weekend, to slow down a little bit, stop, smell the roses, and just really have some cool, solid appreciation. So it's been fun. I wanted to talk to you about connectivity, and I don't know if we are connected apart from Facebook here, right? Are we connected on Twitter? And I'll tell you why I think we should be, is because through Twitter we do this crazy thing called Periscope. Are you on Periscope? Have you checked it out? On Periscope, what I'm doing is I'm actually teaching on a whole bunch of things that I've learned over the last 15 years of being in business for myself, you know, earning millions of dollars and helping other people do the same on my team personally. And I'm just sharing tips and strategies. It's not at all company specific, so it's completely generic, just on how-tos. If you're in the network marketing space or in a home business, we need to connect on Twitter and, if possible, through Facebook. I would love for you to just glean some of the stuff that's cost me a lot of money. Honestly, I've spent over $250,000 in my own training, professional and personal development. And I would love, and it's taken me 15 years to figure this stuff out, right? So I would love to save you some time and save you some money and just give you some of the stuff that's working really powerfully for me, my team, people in my organization. I'd love to give that to you for free, with no strings attached, okay? It's like when I say to my wife, hey, I'm going to give you a massage with no strings attached. It's a rare thing. And so this is a rare thing. So let's connect. Let's follow each other. I would love to give that information to you for free. Let's follow each other on Twitter and in Periscope. And I'm giving a daily shout out. It's called an MLM shot. That's what we call the program. I'm getting some cool branding done up around it, and some designers are working on it right now to form a blog. So for now, let's catch up. Let me give you a daily shot in the arm that can set you up for an awesome day, an awesome week, which also leads to an amazing month. And so one of the things I learned from Imelda Roach, who's probably worth about $500 million, is that she said, you know, to celebrate, there's no big success without celebrating and recognizing little successes along the way. Isn't that cool? Another thing that she said was, we don't teach people how to sell. We teach them how to create an environment where people want to buy. And on these MLM shot in the arms, I'm going to tell you what that looks like. What does that mean exactly, all right? Wouldn't it be cool to know that? She didn't quite explain that, but in my last decade and a half of being in business for myself, I kind of figured that out, and I would love to reveal how that works for you. So let's follow each other on Twitter, okay? And if you're on Periscope, let's connect on Periscope. I would love to give this information to you for free, no strings attached. And because I think it'll just add value to your life. It'll save you money. It'll save you time. It'll save you frustration. So let's connect. Have an awesome weekend, and I will chat with you sometime next week. Bye for now.